Let us start the lecture. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the relation between electric field and potential. That means here we have to derive a relation between electric field intensity E and potential V. Yes or no? First start on that one. Relation between electric field and potential. Okay? Electric field माने आमे कौन करिया कहले गोटे सोर्स चार्ज नबाक पड़िबो मु लेट गोटे चार्ज अछि मोर प्लस क्यू एठी प्लस क्यू चार्ज अछि माने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ए दोथिबो हना मु लेट एट पॉइंट ए एठी गोटे पॉइंट ए अछि जोठी मोर आर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी होछि केते कहलु ई त जदि मु एठी चार्ज गोटे क्यू नॉट रखिबी ता ऊपर फोर्स केते पड़िबो कहलु फोर्स ऑन क्यू नॉट केते पड़िबो मन रखिबो F इक्वल टू क्यू नॉट इंटू ई हम लेट मु कहली ए पॉइंट रे पोटेंशियल होची V ताल कोड पड़े फोर्स टाकरी फोर्स टा पड़ला एड केते पड़ला क्यू नॉट ई तार मु कोन कहली मोर जो टेस्ट चार्ज क्यू सॉरी जो यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्यू नॉट नथला कि ताको ए पॉइंट रु बी पॉइंट को आनली ए पर डिस्प्लेस करली ना तो केते डिस्प्लेस करली dr वेक्टर dr स्मॉल डिस्प्लेसमेंट करली a टू b जो b पॉइंट आले नि कि से b पॉइंट रे मु कहली पोटेंशियल लेट मोर होची v प्लस db आ किछ अलगा पोटेंशियल हे गला v प्लस db स्लाइड चेंज हला ना नि ताले मते कहलु फोर्स ऑन q नॉट एति हे गला ताले स्मॉल वर्क डन और वर्क डन खाली लिख परिबा वर्क डन in displacing Q naught through dr each केते हो कहलु W equal to F dot dr ऐसा नो let's see here F is along right and dr is along left so angle among them is 180 degree इट कौन है जो कि F dr cos 180 degree. In place of F you can write Q naught E. So this cos 180 is minus 1 minus Q naught E dr. Okay. So our work done W is our minus Q naught E dr. Yes, then we can also find the work done by using the electric potential difference. So no, from electric potential difference we have work done W equal to charge into potential difference. Charge into potential difference. Okay. Let's see. Here you can write charge means here we have Q naught. Potential difference means VB minus VA. This becomes Q naught into, in place of VB we can write V plus dV, in place of VO we can write V. Here, we just take that, yes or no? Then what you got here? Here, W becomes Q naught into dV. Yes or no? This is our equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, what you got here? Let's see. Minus Q naught E dr minus Q naught E dr which is equal to Q naught dV, or we can write this as E equal to minus dV upon dr. Listen, electric field intensity E is our negative gradient of potential. Here as V is our scalar quantity, so here you can say gradient of potential, yes or no? Or you can write this as vectorially, you can write this as E vector equal to minus del V. This del is our d by dr. This is called gradient, yes or no? So this is our negative gradient of potential. Negative gradient and this negative symbol indicates electric field is along the decreasing potential. That means if electric potential increases, then electric field decreases, and electric field increases, then electric potential decreases. Yes or no? These are equal to minus dV by dr. Yes or no? So we have to write some note points actually. Here by differentiating potential, you can get the electric field intensity. Then how you can find potential from the electric field intensity? Then we have to integrate that one actually. Yes or no? Then okay, write some note points actually here. V equal to integration minus of E dot dr. By integrating E vector dot dr vector, we can get the potential. Dot product is here, so vector dot vector means we can get a scalar quantity. Yes, second, as we know, electric field intensity can be written as Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. That means here this is the x component of electric field, this is the y component of electric field, and this is our z component of electric field. Then, if question is asked regarding the component of electric field, then we have to write, as we know, the formula for E is our minus dV by dr, differentiation, is no? So, to find out Ex component, we have to take the partial derivative of V with respect to x. Partial derivative of V with respect to x means here you can take y and z as constant, only x is a variable. Then for Ey, we can take partial derivative of V with respect to y. Then for Ez, we can write partial derivative of V with respect to z. Negative symbol is there, yes or no? Okay, then after then, here we have two conductors and the potential difference among them is V. This is the one potential V1, this is the potential V2, and V2 minus V1 is your V, and distance among them is D. Then E equal to V by D.